it's Robin the Lady Biker. All right, if you've seen one of my recent videos, you know not too long ago, Bob got hurt. He went down and he got hurt, but we found a great shop that is taking care of him, and I'm here today to introduce you to Eli and Bad Attitude Cycles. So as I said, I'm here at Bad Attitudes and I'm with Eli, and he is the one who took care of Bob after Bob got a few bangs and boo-boos. But as I said in my previous video, this shop is a shop that has truly impressed not only me, but my entire family. And I thought I would introduce y'all to Eli and just let y'all get to know about him, because he's kind of a hidden jewel here in Fredericksburg. So Eli, tell me a little bit about your shop and what inspired you to start Bad Attitudes.
Well, I saw a need for here in Fredericksburg for a motorcycle shop. We're the only motorcycle shop from I think past Stonewall all the way to Kerrville.
Mm-hmm.
And well, I started working on bikes when I was a kid. I rode motocross when I was 3. And then once I got older, I was like, man, I just want to do this forever. So I went to motorcycle school and got all my certifications, everything like that. Then I worked at a dealership there in Ohio, and I moved over here to Texas, worked at a dealership here in Texas for about 4 years, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go on my own. I think there's a place for it here in Fredericksburg. I think I do really well, helping the locals out and everything else. So it's been a good time. We've been here for about almost 2 years now. It's not too long, but just long enough.
Understood. So what ultimately drew you to Fredericksburg? Was it just that you saw the need, or is it something about the area that drew you?
Well, my grandma grew up here, and then my dad grew up here. So I really love the area. I grew up in Ohio, and there's not much riding there. You got a couple months to ride during the summer.
True.
And then time runs out, so there's not much money to be made. So I moved down here after I got certified. I was like, you know, I think I'll make more money over there, and there's a lot more good riding there in the hill country. So I really enjoy living here, and I got lots of family. So.
It's always, we have a saying that even if you weren't born here, as soon as you knew it, you got here as fast as you could.
No doubt.
All right, so tell me a little bit about the mission and what really is passionate. What makes you and everyone that works in the shop, what makes y'all get up and come in every morning? What makes you passionate about being here?
Especially around here in Fredericksburg, it's easy for locals to get used to getting ripped off, I feel like. So I like to help the locals out a lot. And yeah, I just really love working on motorcycles. I think I tell everyone that if I could do it for free, I would. If I didn't have to pay no bills, I'd still do it, because I just love doing it. I love wrenching. I love wrenching on bikes. I love the community, especially the Harley community. It's better than most. Yeah. But yeah, I just love wrenching.
It's a passion. It's just a passion for 2 wheels.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah. Oh. Just a good old grease monkey, I guess.
Well, and I know for whenever you did the work on Bob, and like I said, you've got loyal, my whole family, you've got loyal customers now, and that's one of the things that we recognized is you didn't do just a sale. You did to build a relationship and to build a long-term relationship. And I know for me, the service you gave us makes me comfortable sending new single female riders here, because y'all will take care of them. And you know, talk briefly about, you know, some of the things that you're seeing in the local community and the local bikes and everything. Just, you know, what's the thing that is like a cool story, or guys, y'all got to start watching out for this.
Well, a lot of people just recently started finding out that female riders is the biggest riding group that's growing right now. Mm-hmm. Females are the biggest group of riders that's growing, and it's a big market. So having somewhere where females can come and they feel safe and they feel like they're not going to get ripped off, that makes me really happy. Yeah. It does. Because I try to help everyone out, even people that don't know much. I don't want to steal from people. I want to help out the community. I want to help out the riding community, and you know, let them know it's a safe place. I'm not going to take them for a ride.
Yeah. Well, test ride afterwards. We'll go for a ride and have a beer, but you're not. Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, this is what I was saying. You know, I was so impressed by the character of everyone in the shop that we engaged with. And guys, if you're ever in the Hill Country area near Fredericksburg, Texas, and you need anything on your bike, you got to call Bad Attitudes. And I will have their contact information down in the description. So guys, anyone out there who's got a great shop, make sure you drop down into the comments and tell us where the shop is, what the shop is, and why they're so great. And Eli, thank you so much for taking the moment to do this, and also for everything you did to get Bob back to actually better than what he was before he came into the shop, because you did a really great job.
That's always the goal. I've always taught when I was growing up, give it back better than you got it. So
Yeah.
we always try to wipe down bikes and do our very best to make them better than they were before.
Well, you did on this one. All right, guys, so we're going to hang out here for just a little bit longer, and then I've got my dad here with me, and then we're going to do what I'm hoping you're going to do. Get out and ride. When you do, have fun, be safe, and I'm going to catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.